Hi guys, today I will explain how to check transaction history in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The only thing is open your Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open. If I scroll down here, you will see multiple cryptos, and also you can add more by clicking on the option Manage Crypto. And in the search bar, you can search for it. And once you find, enable that by using this. Once you enable, let's go back from here, scroll up, and click on this option History. And you will see all the histories of your crypto. You don't need to check individually. Here you can see the selected option is All Network. If I click on it here, I can select a specific one, but now it's on all networks. Here the history will be appearing. But currently I have not done any transactions, so that's why the list is empty. And it was the way by which you can check history in Trust Wallet.